guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm gonna show you guys or unboxing some of the snacks that I just bought yesterday. And let's just get to the intro and let's get to it. Alright guys, so just for a reminder, one time, this is not sponsored, I just bought it and we're just gonna unbox it. I'm not gonna tell you guys the sponsor or something, okay? Alright, so the first one right here. Whoop, it's out. So the first one right here, I think we got jelly right here. But I'm not gonna eat it first. I'm gonna eat it later at the end of the video to taste it. And this one right here is like a jelly because behind here, there you go. If you can see it, yeah, there. I'm just gonna take a photo of it later. That one right there says that it was a jelly that you can actually just eat it, like just hold it and just push it up. Alright, next one. We have the same jelly as this, but this one is a apple and a grape, if I'm not wrong. And this one is, this one is a purple grape and apple, while this one is orange and green grapes. Alright, and then we get a Cheeto Max. This one is basically the spicy one. I don't know if I can hold the spice or not. And we got some seaweed. I think we got 3. 1, 2, 3. There you go. And I don't know about this stuff. This stuff looks delicious. This one is like a, I don't know, not like a chips or something, like snack. This one, like I think this one like a fish chips or something. Go. And we got 3 of them. Same as the seaweed. Alright, I'm gonna cut that out and let's just get into the try. Alright guys, okay, let's try it. The first one, of course, because I already tried the seaweed, I'm not gonna try it again. I basically eat the seaweed with the rice. So if you guys don't know, I actually make this seaweed right here with a rice. So I like eating the sushi. I like sushi. Guys, make sure to leave a like if you like sushi, because I like sushi and I like chips and I like snacks, literally snacks. Okay, the first one we're gonna try the jelly first, but I'm not gonna eat all of it, of course, because my brother likes it and that's embarrassing. Just cut it out. So I'm gonna try one this and one apple, and of course I'm just gonna try this one right here. One, and I'm gonna try this one. Okay, are you gonna time lapse this one because it's gonna take a long time? There I did. First, you open it on top of that, then you need to put it in the water and clean it up. The orange, this is so different. Okay, now we're gonna try it all at once. Now we're gonna taste. Let's go. Finish. Got that. Alright guys, so now I'm gonna try the chips that I've been waiting for. This one. Last time I talked while eating the jelly, it's really hard, so I'm gonna time lapse that if you know. Okay, this my uncle said that it's gonna be spicy a little bit. So let's just try it. First bite. This text. Ooh. It wasn't as hot, wasn't as spicy for a minute, because it says right here, and it was literally spicy Mexican chili flavor. Oh, look at alcohol. Okay, next one. For next one, I think I'm gonna try this one right here. But I'm gonna try it one because all of this is the same. Okay. Okay, that one is the chips. The name is all. Now it's time for the fish chips. I don't even know what is the name. First bite. This small white here, guys. Oh, it's really good. Really good. I never ate this before. This is so good. I'm gonna try it too. This is really small. One. That's two. One more. Guys, make sure to leave a like if you want me to taste the seaweed because I already tasted it, so I don't think I should eat it in front of the camera. Last one, I'm gonna eat this thing. I don't know what is this definitely, but I think it's gonna taste good. Oops. That's so embarrassing. Just cut that out. Alright. It's weird to open it. Alright guys, so that one is pretty long. It's really hard to open it. Okay, I'm gonna take one. Maybe I'm not sure about this one. I never tried it. It's good. Really good. And the texture was just really crispy. It's just like the chips, of course. But what about this is that I don't taste any taste. Like, is it salty or is it chili or is it spicy or is it yeah, just anything. But it tastes good though. I think it was made of the rice. Yeah. Because the texture right there, it just looks like a rice. So there's definitely made out of the rice. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on post notifications so you never miss another video on my channel. And of course, I think I'm just gonna eat this always because this one is the really good one, and the jelly and the chips, of course. And don't forget to subscribe to Hello1535 and Luigi Gamer because they are my cousins. And I see you guys in the next video. Bye!